I am sharing with you some verses and the scriptures when it comes to our own different kinds of choices in this life journey. It says in Deuteronomy 13:19, I call heaven and earth to record this day against you that I have set before you life and death, blessing and cursing, therefore choice life, and both thou and thy seed may live. Ephesians 2:10. For we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus unto good works, which God hath done, ordained that we should walk in them. Revelation 3:20. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If any man hear my voice and open the door, I will come in to him and sup with him, and he with me. Ephesians 1:4. According as he hath chosen us in him before the foundation of the world, that we should be holy and without blame before him in love. 2 Chronicles 20:17. You need not fight in this battle. Station yourself, stand and see the salvation of the Lord and on your behalf. Yes, there are different kinds of choices in this life journey. But have you stopped praying and you can feel your relationship with God drifting away? Perhaps your prayer wasn't answered just the way you wanted, or your life hasn't turned out according to how you dreamed it would be. You start grumbling, get discouraged, and begin to blame God. All too soon, you become infected with the poor choices you have. That is very important to have a moment of yourself. Stop thinking you can make it without God in your life. No, you cannot make it because you know you can't. That's a Satan lie when you believe you can make it without God in your life. You have two choices, and only two you can choose: to serve God or Satan. But you can't walk the line and choose both. If you choose Satan, you